how many series of collectibles do you have planned for 2021?
Okay, right now we're working on 2, but we are making new partnerships with new artists, and so. So who knows, if the community grows and even more, we could have more series. So we don't even know right now. It depends on the community. If the community wants it, we could have more artists, and if we have more artists, we will have more series. So that's the thing. It's again about community.
Yeah, Chris wants you to start a strong community. He says, will you create an anime scripted shows to build characters and connection into the characters, and use this as a way to introduce new characters into a story?
I think it's a way that we already know right now. For example, all those Marvel movies that are trying each new chapter or each new movie, they try with the people. What happens with I show this character for a second? Okay, let's look for the trends. Let's look for the community, how it engages with him. Okay, if it works, what happens with Marvel? Okay, they make another movie, they make another TV series. They work because it's fun. It's like fan service again, and fan service is one of the things that we want to change this world, because fan service is usually get with something that is not that good. And right now we want to cover with the needs of of the fans of the anime community what they want. If we want to create another series, okay, we could try with a more wide series. If some of the character or some of the style is something that is really, really, really handy with all, and it's really interesting for all the people, maybe we could do a series of it. And also, let's think, what happens if something within the community says, okay, I like this kind of style. Ask for us, ask Waifu Finance, ask Anime Limited, because we will look for artists, we will look for new art, and we will make new NFTs about this.
Yeah. So can these collections or collectibles come into a game at all?
Why not? As we were talking about the VR chats, maybe it could be the main step, but let's see what happens next. The avatar, objects, collectibles within a game, within a VR environment. Maybe it's the first step for the concept of games. And who knows? Maybe we could jump to some casual games, 2D games, or even hardcore game in the future if we have another partnership with bigger companies.
Yeah.